What's up, everyone? Prepare to be blown away as the muscle car, the legend Pontiac GTO, is back. 2025. Pontiac GTO is a stunning fusion of raw horsepower, futuristic technology, and jaw-dropping design. Is this the rebirth muscle car fans have been dreaming of? Let's find out. Before we dive into the heart-pounding details, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. By doing so, you'll stay updated with the latest car reviews and help our community of car enthusiasts grow even stronger. Now, let's hit the gas and explore the 2025 Pontiac GTO. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is more than just a car. It's a declaration of muscle car supremacy. This stunning machine pays homage to its legendary predecessors while delivering an exhilarating driving experience that rivals the best of today's automotive offerings. From its performance-packed engine to its unmistakable design, the GTO seamlessly bridges the gap between classic muscle and modern innovation. At the heart of the 2025 GTO lies a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that unleashes an astonishing 650 horsepower and 650 pound-foot of torque. This powerhouse enables the GTO to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it a true contender in the supercar league. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures incredible traction on any surface, while the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear changes for a seamless and thrilling ride. The combination of raw power and precision handling makes the GTO an absolute joy to drive, whether you're on the open road or tackling tight corners. The 2025 GTO is a masterful blend of retro-inspired styling and cutting-edge design. At the front, the iconic split grille makes a dramatic return, flanked by aggressive LED headlights that exude power and sophistication. The sculpted body lines and wide stance create an imposing presence, while the rear features quad exhaust tips and a functional spoiler that enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. For those seeking a more personalized touch, Pontiac offers an array of vibrant color options, unique wheel designs, and optional carbon fiber accents to make each GTO truly one of a kind. Step inside the 2025 GTO, and you're greeted by a cockpit-inspired cabin designed with both comfort and cutting-edge technology in mind. Premium leather upholstery wraps the seats, steering wheel, and panels, offering a luxurious feel. The centerpiece of the interior is a fully digital instrument cluster, seamlessly paired with a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Comfort and convenience take center stage with heated and ventilated seats, ensuring optimal comfort in all weather conditions. A premium sound system elevates the in-car experience, delivering crystal-clear audio for music lovers. Additionally, the GTO is equipped with advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, providing peace of mind and added convenience for drivers. The 2025 Pontiac GTO isn't just about straight-line speed, it's a true performance machine designed to handle the demands of spirited driving. Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while the limited slip differential and adaptive suspension system allow drivers to customize the car's dynamics to suit their preferences. Whether you're cruising comfortably on the highway or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the GTO delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and refined. For those seeking an even greater performance edge, Pontiac offers an optional track-focused package. This includes a sport-tuned suspension and enhanced cooling systems, making the GTO ready to tackle high-intensity laps with ease. Optional carbon fiber components like the hood, roof, and rear diffuser not only enhance the car's aesthetic, but also reduce weight, further boosting agility and performance. In a surprising twist, Pontiac has introduced a mild hybrid system to the 2025 GTO, offering improved fuel efficiency without compromising its legendary performance. The 2025 Pontiac GTO delivers exceptional value for a car that combines breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and iconic design. With a starting price of just $55,000, set to hit dealerships later this year, the GTO is poised to reignite the passion of muscle car enthusiasts worldwide. What are your thoughts on this incredible revival? Share your opinions in the comments below. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more thrilling car reviews, and as always, drive safe and stay passionate.